Hello everyone. Today we are here to present our fifth discussion video for LEX 2065 story time from Group 5. Without further delay, let us introduce ourselves. Myself, Prakash Saravanan. My metric number is B10843.
Hi, my name is Rikneshwari Gunasegaran and my matrix number B10838.
Hi, my name is Divyarogini Manimaran. My metro number is B10831.
Today we are here to present about characters, plots and events from the short story Quetiup. Let us start with the characters.
Okay, thank you, Prakash. Now I would like to start the discussion with the characters from the short story QTube. The main character is Lucy Beck. She is a young, shy, low achiever, not competent and highly qualified and insecure graduate of secretarial studies. She has a very low self-esteem, inferior complex, no confidence and Lucy becomes sympathetic, caring, insightful, and understanding after knowing Mr. Broom's history. She took the initiative to look for an amicable solution. Then Miss Broom. The spirit of Miss Broom, who haunts the office where she owns work as she is so attached to her job, loyal, dedicated, and took her job seriously at Rose and Bannister's. Mr. Broom dies, but she does not want to leave her job and insists to stay on. She creates havoc with intention to scare those who will replace her place at the office. After that, Harry Dark. Rose and Bannister's handyman. He is an old man who has been working with the company for years. He does all the odd jobs in the office and helps out new employees. He is helpful in giving useful information to Lucy regarding the spirit of Miss Broom and shows concern to her. He even told Lucy not to be like a frightened mouse and not to worry. Then Lucy Mothers. Mrs. Beck. She is a patient and hardworking housewife who lives a hard life. She has to support her brother. She had an argument or quarrel with Uncle Bert and had turned him out once. Lucy could not help wishing her mother would sometimes lose her temper, shout, scream at the spinning, grinning head of Uncle Bert. Then Uncle Bert, a drunkard man who depends on his sister for support. He drinks heavily and borrows money from Lucy's mother. Lastly, Mr. Rose, Lucy's boss. He is easily to deal with, willing to help, and even offer to do something about the typewriter if any problems continue. That's all from me. Thank you.
Now let's see about the plots. First is exposition. Lucy starts working as new secretary at Rose and Bannister's, who struggles with a predecessor over the secretarial position at the firm. Lucy counts herself lucky to get a job as a secretary, but she does not expect to have a ghost as a rival. Harry Dark explains to Lucy that she needs to use the typewriter to do her work. He also gives her hints of the haunting of the typewriter by Miss Broom. Miss Broom, the former secretary, frightens away all the new secretaries who came in to replace her. Next is conflict. Lucy types a letter, but she is bewildered that her letter has extraordinary words that are not typed by her. The ghost of Miss Broom types "creative" on Lucy's typewriter and interferes with her work efficiently. The word "creative" keeps on appearing each time she types. Lucy types questions in order to investigate the mystery behind it. Next is climax. Lucy is determined to defend her job, and she started to type another copy by fixing her eyes on the keys. But Lucy is challenged by Miss Broom. She was surprised when the typewriter typed out a threatening note. Through the battle of wits between Lucy and the spirit of Miss Broom at the typewriter, She managed to gather all her courage. Lucy erased all the words and she managed to type all her letters and send it to be signed by Mr. Rose. Calling action. Lucy learns about Miss Broom and her haunting of the typewriter from Harry Duck, who's Mr. Rose's right-hand man, and sympathizes her. She feels sorry about Miss Broom's loneliness and depression after losing a job. Lucy managed to tactfully handle Miss Broom. He informed her of the old former secretary, the late Miss Broom, who was forced to resign. Last but not least, dissolution. Lucy communicates with the ghost of Miss Broom. She decides to overcome the problem by talk to Miss Broom and convince her to leave this world peacefully and go to other world. Lucy keeps a job in Ross and Bannister's. The typewriter becomes silent and there was no reply. Lucy was relieved as she has finally helped the spirit of Miss Broom to find peace at last. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, now I'm going to talk about events in the Q-tube. In the novel of Q-tube, which was written by Vivian Aycock, the event that I admire most was when the time the 17 years old girl Lucy Beck went to her first day of work as a secretary. This once made Lucy to meet the ghost of Miss Broom, a former secretary that used of typewriter to talk to the Lucy. I admire these events most because it was an event that marked the rivalry of Lucy to the ghost of the former secretary Miss Broom. And second one is, as with her possessiveness toward her job, Miss Broom was also extremely loyal towards Miss Bannister. Even after she passed on, her spirits continue in its endeavor to serve her employer. These events shows about the loyalty. The third one is, we can see in the page 9 that Lucy says, whoever will want to employ me. And in page 10, you can see the conversation. You can see the word that Lucy says, if I get a job, trouble was that there were 100 after every vacancy, brighter than Lucy, better qualified than Lucy. This event shows that Lucy have a lack of confidence. And in page 22, says that for an hour she battled with the machine. And in page 26, it's my job now. She says, I need it. And in page 2, we can see that Lucy shows no mercy, reached the end of the letter in trip. This event shows that determined in the work. Lucy finds herself in a difficult position when Miss Broom's ghost keeps on disturbing her. However, she enters the difficult with courage and determination. She does not allow the spirits to scare her away like all the other secretaries. Instead, she committed with it through the typewriter. This event shows that how Lucy is brave. How Lucy is handling the difficult task with courage. The last one is Lucy faced up to challenging situation when Miss Broom's spirits taught her the typewriter. The secretaries before her and left after just one day of working there. Lucy refused to simply give up and leave. So she finds a way to deal with the spirit. She wins it and types a goodbye letter to the spirits of Miss Broom. This event also shows that how come Lucy can face. This event shows that Lucy facing the challenges. That's all from me.
Okay, that's all from us for this video. Let us catch you on our next video, which is our last video for the story that we enjoyed the most from the short story 1 and 2. Thank you all. Stay safe.
Thank you.
you.